No, comedians are generally public speakers. Yes. No, public speaking really genre yayo. Kuri ahujia, kuri motivational speakers, ne kuri keynote speakers, ne kuri comedians, and ne kuri politicians.
Yes.
Yes. Now as a comedian, when you are having a bad day in office, niwa abate jukua, kirede wero ne kio keu, mae udeka.
Na we muthekania.
Yes. Rige joke ya bere pin drop silence. Ya keri. Ya gatatu iwe kazi ni wako muga. Na thekari. Hugure curious ri ona gutire mundu.
Gutire mundu wa mukiria.
Wasan to you. No ko mundu cira gukua thari. Ni murevi. Kaudekega. Ano yu akomura atiri. Goigo kira.
Goigo kira please.
Goigo please. Ano wiro ni uremire. Kale mane yekira atia.
Ke handire.
Wano ke yero kuri gajo ku kamenya atiriri. To icio ni irarega ri. Ke njoke na mucio ku. Ayo so wito kaigo mundu ngia yakuire.
Tumia we.
You know, sometimes the universe conspires to make you look irrelevant
and bad.
Yes. At that point, when you're a comedian, na joke ire okinyari, otweka automatically a motivational speak. Ukaja kuradu haria ndiri na kuria nyumite ri.
Mikiama kia Ngai.
Yes. Ukaumaru ando gutheka makauga oi. As a politician, and from the events that have been happening the last week, you can relate. Nene tu alea kukogo wetu, ando makaka kuya. And there's a new trend. Ya uoko kwa right. Kugethie left to right.
Kore ruguru kwa natembea ri.
Yes.
Jigua makiuga tawe.
Tawe ni kuga hapana. That action yaku ya guoko kwa right kuerwo. Mucoke guthie left to right.
Gukahurwo wiper.
Tigeithi. Macoke maugie asa. Asa. Pana. Niakira.
Kure yakuya guoko kwa mukiria ngeithi.
Yes.
Neo guoko gutithia makiria ma maita matatu.
Guthiago. No, the oscillation is not that wide. Neo.
Hanini.
No, ne kuri ha.
Full wiper.
Full wiper.
Repeated
wiper in very high oscillation. No, ne kuri dia. Jessie. 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 Kiabue. Kiabua. That is a good sign. No,
Guoko gutwarwo na speed.
It's a sign of not very good tidings. It tells you you're about to have a very bad day in
office.
It tells you your employers have beef with
you.
Yes. And you saw, of course, in the recent week, in the Mount Kenya tour, the much talked about.
The much hyped Mulima tour.
Yes. The only place you did not see quick wipers is Molanga.
Iko no gutare na yundu.
Yes. Namu mumaneani re. It's a consumer of comedy. Odaraga. Nataka muongeleshwe na huyu Kimani, si mnamjua? Acha kero kiugererio le he's laughing. Sako ni mundu uko consumer wa comedy.
Asalala.
Alale. Na ndio atheka go. Unataka mzungumziwe na mama kaunti wa hapa?
Hapana.
Unataka wazungumzie?
Hapana.
Haya basi wacha Munamfahamu mama kaunti wa hapa na amewafanyia kazi nzuri.
Tumjui.
Na tunapelekana sawa sawa. Munataka muongeleshwe na huyu baba Medho?
Hapana.
Haya basi, mumesema waongeleze. Haya. Mwato magi ya mundu ariganirwo kwaria githweri. Aye ko githeri.
No, things can get tough.
And you know, as a politician, the worst thing you can do is buy that fear and keep quiet. That is the pressure. No mwakawarie.
No, soldier on.
Soldier on. Waigira ngari niri. Othi okiuga. Giga. Check your gaga.
Na wajirie guthondeka narrative.
Yes.
Kuu ni muteti ng'ani ugutubangiire andu.
Ni kuhandirwo ki?
Andu.
Yes. Na narrative iyo ri. Ono ri ra convince muno ri. Ti aya. Toyo ukwaire mic.
That is where the buck stops.
And you know, the president, you have to give it up to His Excellency William Ruto. Gutire hard wala ugereirio.
Asha.
You give it up to the man. Yes.
Asha.
Gutire hard wala kiatia.
Araugereirio.
No na auganererire. Uria ana maiki maramugagiriria yacokio
magakira.
Haya. Sasa nani aliwafundisha kupigia watu makelele?
Niguko kirende na kiono kiuhigite. And they are very specific.
No, they are singling out. No. No, uria miruthi eikaraga uguo. Nyamu icietwo ngati nicio wild beast. They move in their millions. No cikara uguo cikaia maki.
Kamwe.
Wiwa makirana. Ataire wa muratha. Wa mushuti ri.
Ucio turandiru nake.
Wa mushuti. Kuratha. Wa mushuti. Arahuka. Na inyue
mwarahuke.
Mae kora Dauti arirwo atiriri. Iyo naigua magikubia mekungugo-ini wa arahuke. Ndiende itare muneana moko-ini ki.
No, the public was very specific.
Yes. And their targets were very clear. Sasa tuendelee ama tusiendelee? Endelea. Tuendelee ama tusiendelee? Endelea. Niwaitie mami mwega.
It is even worse. Iregira undiru ya gwaku.
Yes.
And here you are with your boss.
Yes. You see, you cannot convince your boss that people were planted in a ground you would have planted people to.
That is your area.
It is your area. You are supposed to have a counter attack.
If it is feeding people,
yes,
you should have fed your people.
Yeah, you should have known. Oye na ando magihota ko drown.
Yes. As you are nini.
Inengana you are naysayers. So when it is sporadic and spontaneous, your boss can clearly
tell.
And that is why he found it funny. Salare. Nona makiugererio ri ndaraiga othio handu hamwe araora go.
No, he was taking notes.
Na thutha.
I'm very sure behind the scenes, away from the public eye, he was not laughing.
No, he was not. He can't have been. Acoka ngari thiini.
Sasa wewe niambia.
Sasa Kimani tutafanya aje na yeye? Na unajua bura ile kitu tulimwambilia. Sasa salale.
Na tulitoa facilitation.
Si tuliweka facilitation. Kwani yeye na yeye ajui kujipanga? Mtu anajipanga. unatoa watu mpaka ukiweza kutoa watu Migori unaleta. Sasa kwani siasa wanashindwa na siasa na vijana kidogo. Watu wadogo vijana kidogo siasa inawashinda. Sasa asalale.
No manyere mwamuna nene afanga atu exercises. Twakumutwara handu. Kiri kigeranio.
Yes. No, it is cut. Nekati. It's continuous
assessment test.
Ajere industry attachment. Lumu attachment. Unajua afadhali yule wa Gionjoni wakati ilianza alipiga methali 2-3 ya mlima
kaondokea.
Mambo ikakuwa si moto lakini imewaga hii.
We
akere regasi mena methono agwa no wawirerio
ne maroria biyo
ne maroria ega magotometwo ri andu acio kithio totomire au akere kidore
no na ne muingi
aiko ne muingi wa mugerio utegwathwo ri aiko wiro cio ndukurugeirwo ri au twetiki andika kuuma thiurukia mapu
kunde tugucera
oya bairu thiurukia mapu na tutigaikare mbu icio itaneka atia
tanawa
Totigothie ngemi 4.2 tukwamba guthi kundu kuriku kwena mbu ucoke tuthie ngemi riu kau kurare mbu tugutwara ngemi twatona ngathe ari bandi twabe utaka the ari bandi tuitike kuo rucio
wauga niku
oyo ithe methwara wireirio ku
negethongori
koutoto andika sadi mami mwega
Yadaro
wakeja andika sadi wengi kimanoko
ucio ni gutatu
kimanoko ucio tukumutwara mucibita njogu ucio ni mucibici pau kufaini wadeka metho kuria kufainu basega arega kuya teteka Wauga turajie gwa kangata Negera wiro cio thangwa
nduranyita horo
wiro cio negera thangwa andika mucibi kemani andika githungurire nego iteka kuo andika
Nyandarua
auga ni ha auga ni ha secretary
ni kaputeni
andika ku turaiteka tamba nego kungi ne karau andika ku tugokira tene aka cia maritwa njia uge ocio siasa uwe sata du dado Doka kumuririkania do ate president ya turamuona na mumenye waroreko
atika vake
and you see it's also like people are enjoying uthomera mundu wina ngari ndungu
agaga
na kumukomba hi
atika vake mundu ni agwa kigeranio kia midi
negwa
ukahituka kia mwisho wa tamu
no kaitwairwo mukuri Sorry, can I maita maingi muno. What you get in your mook
reflects
actually a reflection. But anyway, politics is another ball game altogether. Yes. Yetiwa itugati.
Ne kwararore iyo muno.
Nigitho goli.
Na ne kwega. Kou ne kwo turambia.
Jethero gari tatu cina sani rufu. Murathondekire ici icio.
Ririkana kuhura star 420 hash.
Ya.
Utakwira